All right, y'all. See it, man. We're beginning to have a good day. Now we having a sell off from nowhere. See the market going to recuperate back. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. If you want to get through these trades, buy some cash flow, man. Gonna start out with ticker. We're gonna do either one or either one. Just do ULTY, one of the most popular paying ETFs right about now. I just added some shares in, got 547 shares now. Has a buy limit order set, didn't expect it to drop this low this quick. I can show you what I just done, what buy orders were triggered. Looked like I had 100 shares on from somewhere that I had probably recently. Anyway, 5 shares, 1 share. Because yesterday I had like 300 something shares. So anyway, really doesn't matter. 547 shares, average cost $7.19. I'm buying a dip on this play. Just went in and brought $5 worth, not loading up on nothing. This does pay out weekly, so you will get your dividend every week. So even if that's one thing I like about dividend stocks. Even if you run out of money, you can just wait 7 days or 30 days, and you'll have your dividends in to reinvest. In between then, get your side hustle, accumulate more money, put it in the market. Don't load up on nothing. MSTY, MicroStrategy, coming on down. It's probably going to pay under $1 a share for this month. We'll see what's going to happen. I got $20 worth already. I'm going to go in and get another 10. And this price here looks like it's kind of settling out, finding its floor. It did get down to $16.92. But this one, as you see, today's trade volume is at 7 million, 6.9. So this does move quick. This can turn around and be right back above the 17.25 mark before the market closed today. I'm gonna show you the average trade volume on ULTY. 29 million. This also one that could be trading right at the $5.90 mark by the time the market is over. So don't put those two down. They do move quick. Let's go with HRZN, Horizon Technology. This one is down. But it's at $6.95, having a green day. But we got down to $6.92 today. I'm going to get a share at these prices here. Definitely take advantage of this $7 mark, $7 and under. 6.9. Going to get a share of that. Pay 11 cents a share a month. I've been adding 5 shares every day. I might go in and buy more. Ticker OPI. Let me go in and go down my list and knock this out. This is an office REIT. If you're not in this place, stay out of it. This is gonna be a swing trade. I had some buy limit orders at 23 cents. Right now I got 4,500 shares at $43. I'll say 44 cents a share. Lowering my average cost in it. All I need is this go to 50 cents. I'm gonna be in the money. This is a REIT. So y'all remember that once the interest rate cuts, this is gonna shoot up. So that's why I'm taking advantage right now of these. It does pay a dividend out quarterly too. Pay 1 cent a share every quarter. We're gonna go with AIYY, Artificial Intelligence. I was buying a share this a day under the $3 mark. Triggered me 1 share today. It's got down to 285, 52-week low 239. I'm gonna just start waiting at the end of the week. Buy 5 to 10 shares at the weekly low. So that way I ain't got to watch it every day. That does move wildly. One day is up, down. So I get a better price. Coney, right now it's down. I'm going to take advantage of this price right here. Like I say, not buying a lot. Just $3 worth to add on to my position to build it up slowly. PMT, I need to buy this in another portfolio. Penny Mac Mortgage Trust. 1208 at 1371. 52-week low is 1170, so it's trading near it. I'm just dollar cost averaging, accumulating, lowering my average cost. We got PSEC, ticker PSEC, Prospect Capital with this 4.5 cent a share a month. They reduced it from 6 cents a share earlier this year. This one here is still green. got down to $2.87 today. I buy 5 shares at the daily low with $2.86 today. I will be swing trading this if it hit that 325 mark. All these shares I just brought, I'm going to sell them. Rinse and repeat just in case it goes back down. I just get 2 shares right now since it's about to push the $3 mark. I can cash up a little bit too on that play. Ticker ORC, Orchid Island, with this 12 cent a share month. Coming down at 708. I already got my 1,000 shares. Like I said, right now I'm just bringing down my average cost. At 1007. What's next? ARR, Armor Residential REIT, 24 cent a share month. It's in the 1480-ish range, 1478 now. Just brought $20 worth in one portfolio, a position. Well, right now I can get another 20 in this one, especially at this price. And I need to get more than that below this $15 mark. Let me see how I'm looking at the end of the trade. OXLC already announced the dividend. Ex-dividend date 9/16. Got to get this in another portfolio. 9 cent a share month. It's definitely one I buy 5 shares of every day at the daily low. I got over 14,000 shares. Ticker RC, Ready Capital is the BDC. They lowered the price target to $3. I'm buying this at this 4 and under. Go to 425. I'm gonna sell those shares. Right now I'm at 496, bringing down that average cost. RC got down to 377 today. So I'm taking advantage of this dip. Want to say it pay 12.5 cents a share out quarterly. We did Horizon Technology, USOY. I think that was at like $8.41. Pays a dividend out weekly also. $5 worth of that. Lower that average cost and accumulate some. Give me a little more than a half a share. My buying power now is down because I'm setting up a lot of swing trades for the future. But I will be getting it back. But I will be getting a dividend of these plays too while I'm holding it. AFCG, a marijuana REIT. Down to 390 today. It definitely is one that I lower my average cost in a lot. I'll get some of that. It's going to be a swing trade. Right now, my average cost is at 419. So once this go to about 450, I might just release it and get rid of it. Scalp profits, probably what I'm going to do, just in case it ride up some more. Got interest rate cuts around the corner. That's going to benefit these REITs, so I expect for them to shoot up anyway. Got pets. This online pet store. Y'all stay out of this one because I'm getting my way up out of this one too. We'll get 3 shares. This does not pay a dividend. I've been buying it like this, buying it and selling it, buying and selling it. I'm at 377 now. I already got a sale order in. I need to add on to this sale order. It's at $1.41. It's August 13th. So all the shares I brought from August 13th, then now I'm adding to this order. Once it hit 410, I'm gonna let them rip. Get my money back. Rinse and repeat. I'll probably close the position because I'll probably be up in it and not going to re-end it. That's just one risk I'm not willing to take. I like to swing trade dividend stocks, not stocks that don't pay a dividend. Bank stocks coming down, not low enough for me to buy. OXSQ came down yesterday below the 230 mark. This one I also get 5 shares a day, 225. So you gotta take advantage of these dips, man. When they take these interest rates down, man, look, I'm gonna be looking good. Western Union at 8.38, like that at $8. I'm not buying it. Just gonna sit back and get that dividend. QYLD, gonna let that come down because there's other stocks I can put the money at. I like my QYLD, RYLD, LYLD. I want RYLD to come in at least below the 450. QYLD around about $16.50. If I get XYLD around $38, that'll help. 38 and lower. So I'm not buying it. RYLD right now at 14.80ish range. Got a dividend payment coming to 15 cents a share, which is lovely. It basically pays $1 for every cent. A cent for every dollar the stock. So if it's trading in the $15 range, you're gonna get 15 cents for the month. $14 range, $14.80, you're gonna get 14.8 cents a share for that month. That's basically how those work. Got about 11-12% dividend yield, but they less volatile than like the Yield Max ETFs. AFCG, we put the order in that. Got ORC. Go get some more USOI before they try to spike up or that oil start going up. It's paying 76 cents a share for this month. And that's why it's going to have a sell-off. But this way you want to pick it up at. The last 2 months was like $2.25 plus. I think last month was $2.48. And the month before that was like $2.20 something. So everybody that got out, they missed them 2 big fat dividends. That's why these plays are for an income base. You need to just hold on to them and keep them. Just ride them out because you never know. You're going to get a different payment every month. DISO Disney. Let me come down in this one, lower my average cost. Also pays a nice monthly dividend. Like I said, I don't load up on nothing. The MDY, I know I'm good in that. TSLY, I want that to come down some more. Got our MSTY, AIY, I'm going to get some of that. YBIT is definitely one I like. Want to add on 2 options on Bitcoin. Just want to lower that average cost. Accumulate and lower it. Don't want to be down, not too much, down 18.31%. But I done been getting dividends, so I'm well up on my mostly on the Yield Max, the ETFs, any high yielding dividend, man, even REITs and BDCs. You probably going, when you do your total return, adding your dividends from that point, you're probably going to be up. And if you're down, just maintain it. Just don't buy anymore. Let the dividends come in. Let it do its thing. And it'll sort itself out. Because in a total return is when you're going to be up. You're going to have more dividends or income coming in than the price depreciation you feeling. YMAX is another one coming down. But I want this to come down a little more. It's at $12.93. It's a good price for me to dabble on in. But 52 week, if I can get this below probably $12.30, I start buying about around the $12.30ish mark. But right now I'm not gonna bother. Other places I can put the money. PYPY options on PayPal. Another one pays out monthly, bringing out my average cost. And this one also slowly accumulating. I'm at 14.22 now, bringing it down. Got USOY. Earn got dividends coming out, with earnings coming out. And these some new ones I added on. Like I said, when they get down a little more, I start buying more. 42.52, that can make it back to 43.01 quick. So not really tripping on that. Let's go check out the Dow and we can get out of here. DOW. This one seemed to be up the last couple of days and everything else was down. I'm at 31, it's at 23. And some more of that go back below that $22 range. I get $10 worth. And let's get CHCT. $14.60. I'm at $19.24. Now let's check out LYB real quick. We can get up off it here. LYB, Lionel Basel. That 53.40. This one here, flying high. Definitely want to get this before we make it past that $60 mark, the lower your average cost. All right, that's it, man. Y'all stay cool out there. Stay safe. Signing off. Go get your money.